Hello everyone, our work aims to enhance the influence of Guqin art. We developed two interactive systems to make Guqin more accessible to the general public. Our team members come from Tianjin University, Tsinghua University, Guqin Studio in China, and Dartmouth College in the USA. Guqin is a traditional Chinese musical instrument that exists for over 3,000 years and was included in the representative list of the Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO. However, the inheritance of Guqin art has encountered the greatest challenges. It's urgent to protect Guqin and its culture from extinction. There are 7 strings and 13 small marks called hui on the panel. Guqin has specific notation called reduced notation. The character of reduced notation indicates how to perform, but it doesn't have rhyme identification. Nowadays, it always been equipped with the corresponding numbered musical notation or staff. We conducted a survey to understand the challenges in promoting Guqin and its culture. 1,006 Chinese participated. We ensured that all the provinces of China had been covered. In addition, we also recruited overseas Chinese. We investigated the problems that hindered the development of Guqin art. In order to overcome these challenges, we proposed 2 interactive systems. The first one is Virtual Guqin. It's designed for general public to solve the problem that they have no chance to play Guqin. Users can follow the symbols on the screen to perform Guqin music in teaching mode or play their own rhyme in composing mode. The images captured by Kinect are displayed on the interface, and a 3D Guqin model is generated in front of user. There is also a Guqin picture on the interface, and the positions of hands are mapped to corresponding place on the Guqin picture. The interface of teaching mode is more complicated. A reduced notation character and its corresponding fingering instruction are also displayed. Reduced notation has been translated into symbols easy to understand. Users just need to follow the instructions of symbols by moving hands. We deployed VirGuqin system in Tianjin Museum to verify its effectiveness. 308 people were recruited to our experiment. All the participants experienced the composing mode and the teaching mode successfully, then complete a questionnaire. The results showed that 89% of people thought VirGuqin enhanced their interest in Guqin learning. It also achieved good results in ease of understanding, ease of use, and joy. Mixed Reliant Guqin is designed for Guqin beginners to ease the learning process and enhance their confidence. When user chooses a piece of Guqin music in our system, the corresponding virtual scene is shown with a virtual desk. The real-time pictures will be mapped onto the surface of the desktop. Symbols translated from the reduced notation will be augmented, and users can follow them to play Guqin. We set up MRGuqin in a Guqin school to conduct a user study. 16 Guqin beginners were recruited to take part in this youth study. The participants were divided into 2 groups. They were asked to learn 2 pieces of Guqin music with the help of reduced notation and MRGuqin respectively. The results of both groups showed that participants with MRGuqin learned faster than that learned with traditional method. Performance of the participants with MRGuqin got higher average score than that learned with traditional method. All the participants thought the symbols were easy to understand, and most of the participants thought it interesting and it could enhance their learning confidence. In conclusion, in this paper, we presented the challenges in the promotion of Guqin, and we proposed 2 systems which are proved to be effective, and we also demonstrated how interactive technology can be used to help the inheritance of Guqin art. Thanks for your watching.